Hey guys, this is Ginger Joyner with VIP Travel. So we are here at TRS Coral in Costa Mujeres in Mexico, and I want to give you guys a little look of our room. We are staying in a junior suite. TRS Coral is an adults-only resort and has a sister property, Grand Palladium, that is family friendly. All right, let's take a look. So we are in building 2. Level 2, there's a safe, drawers, there is bathrobe and slippers, umbrella, scale, laundry today or naked tomorrow. Here is this lovely bathroom. I love how spacious it is. Double sinks. It's got a little curtain that comes over. There's coffee, a little snack bar. Check out our huge room. Large king size bed. Have a nice little sitting area, and we told them we're celebrating our anniversary, so we got a little fruit and wine, large TV and desk area. Then we have an amazing view of the pool on our huge balcony. So this is the main pool area. And then you can see the beach right over here, and the swim-up rooms are down below. So this is our junior suite at TRS Coral. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you get here. Have a good day.